Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to the May long weekend, former Queen Victoria's birthday here in Canada. We are actually doing some overlanding. So we got the rig behind us, we're going that way. Apparently Eric and Brennan found a really great camping spot, so we're gonna do some overlanding this weekend, a little bit of camping, maybe some fishing, should be great. Departure from all this talk of track stuff lately. Okay, so we're all loaded up here, going down this access road. I'm not really even sure how this all goes. I got a pin dropped on a map on little Gaia, so we're gonna try to find our way. Okay, slight problem, slight change of plans. We actually didn't end up staying the night at our camp spot. Apparently we thought it was Crownland and it wasn't quite. So anyways, we came home last night. I decided to do some maintenance because we want to go off-roading tomorrow. We're going to go do a little exploring. So on the 4Runner we did a quick tire rotation. Haven't done that in a bit. But now we're going to put on some rain guards for the windows. I don't know why, but I think this is like a very JDM thing to do. Here in Canada we have a lot of right-hand drive cars that come in for enthusiasts, and every one of them has rain guards. Now, I don't smoke, but they just kind of look cool on off-roaders. And tomorrow it's supposed to rain, so good time to put them on, put them to the test. Okay, so I read the instructions. I know, my wife does not believe that I actually read the instructions, but I did this time. What it says, drop the windows, and then they give you some alcohol wipes to clean off the surface, peel it back about 2 inches, so you can kind of line it up, and then while applying pressure, just peel off the rest of the 3M tape. Seems pretty simple. Now what we're gonna do is, you can see, got a little bit of dirt up here. I'm gonna give it a quick detail, and then we'll wipe it down with not only their alcohol wipes but ours too, just to make sure it's super clean. That's what's on there. Next, isopropyl alcohol. We're going to use their wipes last, just to make sure that I don't know, follow their procedures, I guess. Let's do that. Okay, so finally we're going to use their wipes again. Alcohol prep pad. So it looks like a little notch here goes right over the mirror cap. Everything should line up pretty nice. So the final thing they said was to strip back about 2 inches and then angle it like this. And I've heard this before, that if you are doing like wings and stuff like that, if you get kind of like this along the top, you can pull it out while it's adhering. So let's give it a try. Okay, it's all dry. Let's do it. So again, we're going to split the difference here a little bit. Set it right about there. Come all the way up. Right there. Okay. I think that looks good. So we just press in, everything's set. Okay, for the back, we're going to do the same thing. Got it pulled off a bit here. Yeah. It's incredible how strong 3M tape is. Okay, so that's done. Looks pretty spiffy. I like the look. Gonna clean it up a little bit with some quick detailer, but looks like we're ready to rock for tomorrow, and hopefully we get some good videos out on the trail. Okay, so we're back out. It is raining like crazy. We got the vents on. Hey, pretty nice. And we're out. I don't really know where we are exactly. We're out off Highway 40 here in Alberta, so we're on an overland day. As you can see, it's pretty epic. It's also pouring rain, but yeah, we got the guys out. So only Brent came out, and then I got my son with me. So we got the 2 trucks, looking spectacular. We're checking the trail map, see if that actually is a 4x4 trail. So hopefully we get to go do a little bit more exploring. Track, I mean, like, it was kind of quick, but it wasn't anything crazy. Wow, so that was a pretty cool trail. Really liked that, actually. It was not really sure if it's enough camping for 3 trucks, but maybe just. We gotta, of course, check it when we get home with land usage, but nice little track, and yeah, splishy splash on a very wet day, but we were on the track and, you know, felt pretty good about everything. We're heading up next to around the Red Deer River to take a look at some spots up there. Again, we're always on the lookout, but this is a good chance for us to actually find a good camping location. Hopefully by water, so, you know, cast a line or just enjoy the babbling of a brook as you enjoy the campfire. Okay, so we're stopped for lunch here. Found this little spot. It's not great in terms of like rivers and whatnot, but it's a little bit sheltered from the sideways rain. Got the camp kitchen set up. Brent just brought, what'd you bring, liverwurst?
I got a liverwurst sandwich.
That looks not good.
Delicious.
But you said it though, typical May long weekend.
Yeah, don't even bother.
Tears from heaven, or whatever whatever you want to call it, pouring down cold rain.
Just mud all day.
Yeah, so it's Gore-Tex, and we're gonna have some Mr. Noodles for lunch. And then we got one more waypoint we'll look at. This one's okay.
Yeah.
A few places we can go up top here, so up on top of the mountain. Hard to see, but
More rain.
sorry?
More mud.
More
rain.
mud. Yeah, lots of mud. Lots of mud. So we finished having lunch, and now we're heading out to one of the other waypoints that we have, but I don't know if you can see this on camera. Hopefully we'll get over a good spot here. But yeah, this river valley is just amazing. So, some wild horses out here. This is all kind of grazing land. I shouldn't say those are wild. There are wild horses down in Cypress, but these ones may be just out here doing their grazing in the summers. So the ranchers are allowed to bring them out to Crown land and do that in certain sections. But still beautiful animals, nice little foal there with them. Great to see. So, I think we might have found our perfect camp spot. River, nice, nice sandbar here, and more importantly, we got some nice open areas to work with. Lots of space to spread out and enjoy. We're on an official trail. It's very nice. We're way up here on Highway 40. It's beautiful. Having a great day. Truck's muddy, getting some awesome driving in, so I'm very, very happy. For now though, we're gonna cut it off here. Might get a few clips as we leave, but remember, subscribe, like, turn on the notifications.
We're gonna keep on coming at you with more and more driving focused content, off-road, on-road, track, hey, more snow drifting. It's all gonna be right here. So we'll see you next week. Until then, as always, stay safe.